Docfai, the app that transforms your documentation workflow with advanced screen recording tools. Track projects, recordings, and exports from a clean, intuitive dashboard, everything you need at a glance. Capture your screen in different resolutions. Select any window or screen with live preview. Press F8 to capture screenshots with automatic cursor highlighting. Build documentation as you work. Edit steps, add descriptions, reorder content, and preview your documentation in real time. Choose from SOP, work instructions, training manuals, user guides, and technical specs. Each template is designed for specific use cases. Export to PDF, Word, HTML, PowerPoint, or Markdown. Publish directly to Confluence and SharePoint. Start creating with Docfai. Record capture, export done.